Hi, I brought a cheap £50 crossbow and I want to modify it to make it into a multi-shot crossbow. My plan is to remove this mechanism here, cut this bit of plastic off, and then design and print a magazine that will push the arrows down from the top. So here's the finished printed magazine. I'm just going to tidy it up and fix a couple of mistakes that I made. So this is what I've got so far. The plan next is to add springs and supports on the side so that I can push down the bolts in the magazine. So this is what the finished first prototype looks like. There's some modifications that are still needed. Firstly, I need to strengthen up the material at the top of the magazine, and also the iron sight was not high enough, so I will probably change that to a screw. In conclusion, it's not perfect, but I feel that it's a better solution than to print a multi-shot crossbow from scratch for many people. One thing that I've learned is that rubber goes off, and so in this design I purposely made sure not to include any rubber. And that was one of the downsides that I came across from printing my own multi-shot crossbow from scratch. So I will continue to develop this design, and I'll probably even buy another crossbow pistol and make modifications to that.